right after. I could nakita ko yung mga tao na I had to navigate my way towards the regional office of the police to talk to them. I was only mayor lang ako noon. Pero sinabi ko na sa kanila na yung tulong ko maswerte yun because at that time the new ambulances kaka-deliver lang sa syudad, about 10 brand new. So nung nangyari yun, we were